do the volume of a cone that is 3/4 of a circle. And you start with the formula 1/3 big B H equals the volume. Because it's a 3/4 circle, we have to find the circumference first. So it would be 3/4 of 2 pi 12, because that's the radius in centimeters. So then it would be, you would cancel out the 2 pi with this 2 pi r, and that would just leave you with 12. So it would be 3/4 12 equals the radius, which would be 9 equals the real radius. So then you would have to do Pythagorean theorem to find the height. So it would be a squared plus 9 squared equals 12. A squared plus 81 equals 144. So then you would subtract 81 from both sides. You get a squared equals 63. And since that doesn't have a square root, it would just be 63. So then you have to find the big B. So big B equals pi r squared equals pi 81, which big B would equal to 54.34 centimeters. And then you can do the whole volume thing. So it would be 1/3 25434, and then the height, which was 63, and then 1/3 28.8. So then your total volume would be 63 centimeters cubed.
Okay, so now we're going to find the slant height of a cone, and if we're given a 3/4 of the circle saying the radius is 16, this 16 is actually going to be the slant height, which is the L right there. So to find the radius, what we're going to do is we're going to take 3/4, since we have 3/4 of a circle, and in parentheses we're going to have 16 times 2 pi, and then that's going to be equal to 2 pi r. And since we have 2 pi on both sides, we can eliminate that from both sides. Now we have 3/4 of 16 equals r, and 3/4 of 16 is 12. So we know 12 is our new radius and 16 is the slant height. And so when we're going to find the surface area, we'll take pi 12 squared plus pi 12 16. And so the first part of the equation is actually going to be the full circle, the base of your cone, and then the second part of the equation is going to be the cone itself with the slant. And so we'll take pi times 144 plus pi times 192, and then we're going to take pi times 144 plus 602.9. So then we'll take pi times 144, which is 452.2 plus 602.9, and that is 1055.1, and this is all going to be in inches, so it's going to be inches squared since it's the surface area, and this is going to end up being the surface area of a cone that we have demonstrated right here.
So today we're going to be using a regular ice cream cone to find the surface area and volume, just like we did in the other two examples, but this is more of a real world example. So I went on ahead and measured the diameter of the cone circle, which comes to be 4 centimeters, which then gives us a radius of 2. So R equals 2 centimeters. And then what I did to find the height of this cone is I put a string down here to the tip and then cut it on the edge and measured that string with the ruler. And so the height is 10.5 centimeters. So now to find the surface area, I'm going to use pi r squared plus pi r h. And pi r squared comes to 12.57, and pi r h comes to 65.97, which gives us a surface area of 78.54 centimeters. And so now to find the volume, you use the formula 1/3 times pi r squared times the height. So I'm going to use the same numbers that I found again. So it will be 1/3 times pi 2 squared times 10.5, and that comes to 43.98 inches, or I'm sorry, centimeters cubed. And on surface area it's centimeters squared.